The AI Marketplace Post Assistant can generate draft posts from the business information in your NVBC profile. 3 draft posts will be generated for your review. You can then choose to immediately publish a post, edit it before publishing, save a draft for later, or completely discard the draft post. Let's click, I want to edit this post. You can edit any of the fields in an AI-generated post, just like with creating a post from scratch. Update fields as desired, upload an image if you like, and check the publish box if you're ready for your post to go live. Then click Save Post. Now let's take a look at creating a post from a prompt. The AI Marketplace Post Assistant has been trained to translate your prompt into NVBC post draft. It will determine the appropriate post type and fill in relevant details based on your prompt and business profile. Then it's the same process as before, edit, save or discard as you see fit. AI-generated posts are listed next to your other posts under My Listings and can be edited, activated, or deactivated as you choose.